Hi, hello, my name is Dan Serafini with Lippert Marine. Today we're going to take a few minutes to just talk through the process of installing the fabric portion onto your power Bimini frame. So the very best thing to do is, with the frame already installed on the actuators and everything in the rear rested position, we're going to go ahead and power the system forward just a little bit, just to give a little separation between the forward bow and the rear assembly, and just give a little bit of elevation. Then when we go ahead and take the Bimini top out, okay, what you're going to notice is you've got a clear front and rear. The rear section's always going to have a little horseshoe cutout, okay, that's meant to nest around the mast light assembly going on the rear bow of the framework. So we take that rear bow and we're going to want to put that one on first, okay? And the very first step I do is I take the zippers on both sides of the bow pocket and just go ahead and open them completely. And then with the canvas basically on the floor, I'll just run out to one side first, just come out to the corner and just start zipping the bow pocket onto the frame and just work it all the way from the outside corner into the center. And then once I get to that middle horseshoe section where the separation is for the mast light, I'll work the canvas out around the corner a little bit, and then I'll come and do the exact same operation on the other side. Okay, so now I've got both bow pockets zipped. Using that centering horseshoe as a kind of a centering mechanism, I'll stretch the canvas out to both sides, and then I will pull the canvas out over the center and kind of bring this middle bow pocket into the middle bow that's a little bit offset and laying in a little bit, and then attach that bow pocket over the middle bow, and this should be a singular zipper that's right on the middle of that bow. Then I complete that zipper. Then pulling the canvas over a little bit further, I come to what is that forward bow. Now in this application, you've actually got multiple zippers in this front pocket. And what you'll see is there's an innermost zipper that goes from the pocket all the way straight sideways out to the edge. And that zipper will completely release and open, okay? I take that and again come to the outside corner and wrap it around the boat and start zipping that pocket. Going from the outside, working my way across center, until it terminates on the center point. Then I come to the other side and do the same operation. At this point, you have your top canvas completely installed on the bow. To go ahead and test it, we'll run the entire assembly forward. And we keep running it all the way to the point where the system limits itself out, adds all the tension onto the fabric. Just to make sure that everything's nice and snug, we'll actually adjust it out around the corners and make sure that we're even from side to side. Make sure that all zippers are completed. And at this point, we have our canvas completely installed. For deployment, for storage then, You can run the entire system all the way back towards the rear. Leave it just a little bit up so that it either comes down onto the trailering legs that come down the fence, or it rests down on top of whatever seating. And then with the bows now completely back down in the lower position, you can very easily go and just add your storage boot on, same as what you would with any manual Bimini or any other Bimini system, and then that completes your installation. Thank you very much for watching.